Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make macaroni salad Caribbean style. First, ensure you have all your ingredients ready for a smooth cooking process. You'll need about 1 pound of elbow macaroni, a good quality mayonnaise, and some yellow mustard. Don't forget fresh vegetables like finely diced carrots, celery, and colorful bell peppers. A little sugar and a splash of white vinegar are key for that authentic sweet and tangy flavor profile. Now let's get the macaroni ready. Boil 1 pound of elbow macaroni according to package directions until it's perfectly al dente, not mushy. Immediately drain and rinse it thoroughly with cold water to stop the cooking process and prevent sticking. This step is crucial for a firm texture. While the macaroni cools, finely dice your vegetables. 1 large carrot, 2 celery stalks, and 1 bell pepper. Small, uniform pieces blend best. The dressing is where the magic happens for Caribbean macaroni salad. In a large bowl, combine about 1.5 cups of your favorite mayonnaise with 0.5 cup of yellow mustard. Stir in 0.25 cup of granulated sugar for that signature sweetness. Next, add 2 tablespoons of white vinegar and a pinch of black pepper. Whisk everything together until the dressing is perfectly smooth and all ingredients are fully incorporated. Finally, it's time to bring it all together. Add your cooled macaroni and all the finely diced vegetables to the creamy dressing. Gently fold everything until the macaroni and veggies are evenly coated. Cover the bowl and refrigerate the salad for at least 2 hours, or even better, overnight. This chilling time allows all those wonderful Caribbean flavors to truly meld and develop. Serve it cold and enjoy this delicious, authentic dish. Also, remember to check the description for a link to some amazing socks and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.